everybody, welcome to the Daily Report and welcome to Cairo in Egypt. It's the World Cup here. We've got lots going on. Of course, we've got practice for the trap athletes. Up there we've got qualification for the skeet athletes. The skeet competition, of course, is tomorrow. Lots of people around. Let's see who we can find. I said there are a lot of athletes, there's a lot of officials here. Melis is one of them. You're the technical delegate. It's lovely to see you again. Now, explain to people who may not know what a technical delegate does.
Okay, let's say it's the head of the organization, checking everything's going in order, that all functions are going properly, and the competition is conducted properly. This is my job.
How's it going?
It's going well. It's going well. We have a bit of a delay, but that is acceptable. Apart from that, it is going really good. The weather is nice. The venue is, impeccable, and look at it, 10 ranges in one place. So trap shooters can train, and the skeet competition is going on, so nothing to really complain about.
I was going to say, it's huge and hugely impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, it is very impressive. I couldn't believe my eyes when I first saw it, really, and I believe this is going to have a very good future.
Yeah. Now, are you feeling the pressure? There's a lot of responsibility on your shoulders.
So that's life. Life is full of challenges. So what? If we are scared, we would stay at home.
This is very true. You don't stay at home. You go all around the world with your job, don't you, for the ISSF, and you must enjoy it.
Yes, I do. I like the challenge.
Is that what it is, the challenge?
Yeah, why not? Because we've been born into this thing, so we might as well make use of it and teach the younger ones, make the sport look nice and attract more people. And I think this is one of the best sports in the world.
Well, hopefully, if it goes smoothly, we won't see too much of you, but it's lovely to talk to you. And lovely hat, by the way.
Likewise, and we'll be catching up later as well for the finals, etc. And we'll be here until the end, which is the 5th, I guess. Yes. Thank you so much, Richard. It was nice seeing you.
Well, it may be the skeet finals tomorrow, but the trap guys are here as well, practicing on this enormous venue. And Matt Coward-Holly is with me, and it's quite unusual to see you here so early.
Yeah, no, it does. I made the trip out a little bit earlier, a bit of extra training, managed to see my coach, so it's a good opportunity to come out and actually get some on-range time before a comp.
Because normally it's not quite as many ranges, and you have to let the skeet guys and women sort of finish off and then politely take their place and get on with it.
Yeah,
but here
exactly,
you've got a few extra days.
Yeah, no, it's nice to get the few extra days. I think everyone should take advantage of it, because as they say, we don't get it very often. So make the most of it. The sun's shining, so make the most.
I was going to say the weather's not so good in the UK, is it? So
no, it was very wet when I left, so I'll take this weather any day.
So you're down to sort of serious business. It's been a good season so far. You're top of the rankings. Got to be happy with that.
Yeah, no, definitely. Very, very good start to the season. Gold and silver, first 2 World Cups out. Cyprus, a little bit of a hiccup, but I'm sure we'll get back on top soon enough.
And we've said this before, but it is a weird season because you've got half an eye on France and the Olympics next year, World Championships and quota places for teams up. I mean, you have already, but so I guess it's not like a normal year.
No, it's not like a normal year. There's a lot of competitions this year as well. So for me, obviously, I haven't won my quota yet, so I'm having to try and keep up the top of the rankings and keep my foot in the door for the world ranking quota should everything not go to plan. But no, it's a busy year, but it's going to be a good year.
A good year, but a tense year.
Yes, yeah, no, definitely.
And you say you're here with your coach. What sort of things are you working on?
Nothing. It's just with how busy the year has been, I've not had a great deal of time to actually see him, for him to actually look over my shoulder as such and see what's going on. So it's nice to get a few words of advice in the ear while I'm shooting.
And of course, like we say, it's ski that takes centre stage for the first couple of days, so you get a couple of extra days. Is that always at the range, or perhaps relaxing at the pool?
Well, like you say, normally I wouldn't even be here at this point. We normally fly in sort of day before official, or day before unofficial, then shoot unofficial, official, and then be done. So it's nice to take the opportunity to relax a little bit, shoot a few rounds extra, and just make the most of the facility we're in.
Are you feeling in good nick? Do you feel a podium coming on?
Yeah, no, I'm feeling okay, but I'll let you know in a few days' time.
You will do. It will be a few days' time, because we will be concentrating tomorrow on the skeet, the men and women's final. That's tomorrow. We may see Matt later on in the week, but for now, for the Daily Report, bye-bye.